Hello, I'm at Thailand border of Betong and we are going to drive into Thailand. And if you guys want to drive into Thailand, and it is very easy, you come to this place here. Okay, you come to this place here. I mean, in front there is Thailand border, so you can see there's a huge car park here. And then you can get your insurance, and then you can get your arrival card, and also your SIM card done here. And our abang here got very good service. Also, you can call this number. If you whole gang come here, you can call this number first, so that they can prepare everything for you. You just come here, collect the stuff, and you can go. There's also a huge car park here where you can park your car. If you don't want to drive into Betong, you can actually park your car here, and then you can catch a bus in, I guess. And this car park is quite nice. Actually, it's you got CCTV. I think it's quite safe. Looks quite safe to me. And price is in front. Okay, so this is the car park price for this place. So like open air, like 10 ringgit per day per night, and then 15 for covered. Okay, so we got two types of insurance. One is compulsory, this one is a must. And this is like I said, voluntary lah. So it's not really a must, but it covers other Thailand speakers as well. So the car insurance for 9 days, the compulsory one is about, I'm driving an SUV, so it's like, it's only 30 bucks. 30 bucks. So for compulsory, it's about 180 or 175 for sedan. Abang, sini pukul berapa tutup bang? 6:30 tutup. Oh, kita ngam-ngam eh. Okay, going into Thailand. See you in Thailand. Sawadee Kapu. This is a Malaysian border, so we do not have to get down the car. Just pass the passport. Yes, need to stop recording. Bye bye. Okay. Malaysian border is very easy. Just give your passport, let them see your face, and that's all. And then we are driving to the Thailand border right now, which is just right next door. Okay, bye bye Malaysia, and see, bye bye Malaysian road. Ouch. Okay, the SIM card that I've inserted the Thailand SIM card to my to my phone, and we just got collection. Yay! Okay, so we are driving into Thailand border. Thailand. There. Sawadee ka, welcome to Thailand. Okay, for this one is a little bit different. You need to get down, get out from the vehicle, and you need to go to the immigration, and then after that you need to go to another counter to export your car to Thailand. Wow, it's quite empty today. Okay, should be quite fast. And as usual, we cannot record because it's immigration and border. So this is the place. So we are getting down. There's not much of a queue. Let's find a car park, and then we park our car, and then we go through immigration, and then we export our car to Thailand temporarily. So it's like less than 5 minutes because there's no queue. Our passports is done, and now we are proceeding to the next section, which is temporarily exporting our car into Thailand, which is the next counter. So we came from that side, that car park, and then now we are parking here, this section, Betong Custom House. And then you can see people lining up there, and all of us are going to submit our documents. You need your jaran and insurance, Thailand insurance, and I think export form and your passport. And just like that, we are in Thailand. And look at the roads. Immediately you can feel the difference. The roads are so smooth. You see The roads are so smooth. Where's the pothole? Where's the pothole? Okay, we are going to